How to get back permanently deleted files in Windows 11. So there are two places that we can search first. The first one is being on the recycle bin. Open it up right here. Usually, the deleted files or folders goes here on the recycle bin before it gets permanently deleted. If your recycle bin is already emptied, we can next go to the control panel by searching it on the search bar of your Windows. Make sure that you are viewing it by category here. And go to System and Security. Then File History. And you can recover your files here if your file history is turned on. Unfortunately for me, it isn't turned on, but that's okay. What we can do here is recover them by simply going to the Microsoft Store. On the Microsoft Store, type in Windows Recovery. Click this icon here and download it by clicking Get and wait for it to be installed. After it is finished installing, run the application by clicking on the Open button here. It will pop up the command prompt for you. On the command prompt, we can see here the two different modes, which are the regular and extensive. Regular command is for the recently deleted files, while the extensive command is for deleted files a long time ago. I recommend we make use of the regular command, but if you want to scan for older files, you may use the extensive command that I will show in a little bit. Now, on the command prompt, type in winfr. This will be the starting point of our commands here, followed by the space bar and specify the location of which the file was saved before it was deleted. So in my case, it's on the C drive. So I will type C:, then space bar. Now, we need to specify the location to where we want to recover our files. Note that it must be different from the location to which we saved our files. So in my case, it is saved on the C drive before it was deleted, and I want to save the recovery files on the D drive. So I will type D:. Then recovery here is just the name of the folder I created inside the D drive, where I want to save the recovery files. You may leave it just D:. Then, here is the /regular or /extensive I was explaining earlier. You may click enter here, but if you want to specify a little bit more since there could be a lot of files, you may type /n. Then the name of the folder, \, then asterisk, period, and then the specific type of a file. It could be a PNG, a PDF, a JPEG, WebP, or any type of files you want to recover. Click enter. It will prompt if you want to continue. Click while to continue, and it will scan the deleted files on your C drive. After it finishes scanning, click Y again to view the recovery files, or you may look it up on the drive where you save your recovery files. Here is my D drive with the recovery files. In cases this didn't work for you, you may open your browser and type in ccleaner.com/recuva/download. Scroll down and download the free Recuva here. Wait for it to be installed, it shouldn't take long. And open the application and follow the steps here. Here, as you can see, we may choose files you want to recover. It could be pictures, music, documents, and so on. I will just leave it to all files. Click Next and you may choose or specify the file location. For now, I will leave it to I'm not sure. And click Next. I suggest we leave the Enable Deep Scan checkmark here, but if you want to scan for older files, you may enable it. After which, we click Start and it will scan your deleted files. And there you go. You may select here the files that you want to recover and just click on the recover button on the lower right portion here. And that is how to get back permanently deleted files in Windows 11. If this helps, consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and consider checking out our other videos.